Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to offer gifts with purchase in Shopify, a powerful strategy that can help increase sales and boost customer loyalty. By providing customers with a gift when they meet certain criteria, like spending a certain amount or buying specific products, you're adding extra value to their purchase, which could encourage them to make bigger or more frequent orders. To start, you'll need a gift with purchase app, as Shopify doesn't have this functionality built in. Apps like Free Gift or Giftbox are some of the most popular options. Once you've chosen an app, you'll need to install it from the Shopify App Store. This process is quick and easy. Just head to the Shopify App Store, search for the app, and click Add App. Next, you'll need to configure the settings for your gift with purchase offer. This includes selecting the product that will be given away, setting a minimum order requirement, and choosing how the gift is automatically applied. For example, you can offer a free gift when a customer spends over $50 or when they buy a specific item. Be sure to make it clear on your site so customers know exactly what they need to do to claim their gift. Once you've set everything up, test it out to make sure the offer works as expected. Add eligible products to your cart, go to checkout, and verify that the gift is automatically added to the order. Make sure the conditions are being applied correctly and the offer is visible to customers during their shopping experience. Additionally, customize your offer's messaging to make it clear and appealing. Consider adding banners or pop-ups to inform your customers about the promotion. It's also a good idea to highlight the gift on product pages or during checkout to remind shoppers that they're getting a bonus item with their purchase. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.